this video, we will show you in detail how to create labels using the program. Our mailing label feature utilizes the Avery 8160 style labels or similar. These are 8.5 by 11 sheets with 30 labels per sheet, 3 across and 10 down. The most general way to create mailing labels is to double-click the user-defined report. Select Mailing Labels from the Export To option and click OK. This will show all the clients unless your client list is filtered, in which case it will display only your filtered list. You can select just a few clients by clicking the checkboxes, or you can check the box to select all if you wish to generate a label for each client displayed. If you wish to just generate a label for the currently selected client, you can choose the option to merge current client only. Use the Select Mail Merge option if you have previously ran a report containing the desired data and saved it to a mail merge file. You can also choose to add a note to the clients for whom you are about to generate labels. Once the desired options and clients are selected, click OK. In the label setup, you can select the name formatting. Typically, the client name field is a good option for commercial clients. The first name, last name is appropriate for personal clients, and the last name, first name works well for file folder labels. Notice the option of the attention line, which will input the first name, last name below the client name. If you are using a partial sheet of labels, you can tell the system which label to begin printing on by entering the last used label in the Labels to Skip value. For example, if I enter 29, I will get my first label printing to the last label on sheet 1 and then the rest on sheet 2. It is best to preview these label sheets prior to printing, which is the default option. From the print preview, you can click the printer icon to access your printer options. You can change your printer by clicking Setup and edit the print properties if needed. Once you have printed these labels, simply close the print preview and cancel the query wizard. You may notice as you are running reports in the reports list that you have an option for mailing labels. To utilize the function, the report must contain the appropriate fields to generate mailing labels. These required fields include client name, first name, last name, address 1, address 2, city, state, and zip. If these fields are not included in the report select statement, an error will appear showing the missing field. If all the fields are present, you will get the label setup screen followed by a preview of the resulting labels. Our next tutorial covers an introduction to advanced mail merge and will give an example of generating mailing labels utilizing program data in MS Office.